अजून जवळ आली की चालेल. ओके ना. Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to the Renaissance Academy of Geosciences. So these are some important news of 5th October part 2. Okay, on the 5th October we have so many news, that's why I made this video in 2 parts. The first, now today we are going to see based on geographic indicators or geographic information tag, GI tag, that's why. So many varieties of India got GI tag. So Kerala's Edayur chili and Kuttiyatur mango has received the geographical indication tag, GI tag. Okay, when any product get GI tag, it get global or national presence. Okay, to boost the crops, to boost that particular crop of some state or area or district, this geographical indication tag is used. Okay, so Edayur chili and Kuttiyatur mango has received GI tag. Along with that, Jini rice. Okay, so Ediyatur chili and Kuttiyatur mango is from Kerala. Okay, then Jini rice or Jini rice, also called as Vada kolam. Okay, grown in Vada, Palghar district of Maharashtra. Okay, Palghar district of Maharashtra also get GI tag. Along with that, Alibag in Maharashtra have white onion. So this white onion of Alibag also got GI tag. Then Chinnor rice, very famous, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Chinnor rice of MP got GI tag, Balaghat district. Then Naga cucumber from Nagaland. Naga cucumber from Nagaland. Then Hathia chili of Manipur also got GI tag. Then Tamenglong orange. Tamenglong orange of Manipur also got GI tag. And then Judima rice of Assam also got GI tag. So the product and the state is important. So Ediyar chili, Kuttiyatur mango from Kerala, then Jini rice or Vada kolam rice from Palghar district, Maharashtra, Alibag white onion, Maharashtra, Chinnor rice, Madhya Pradesh, Balaghat, then Naga cucumber from Nagaland, Hathai chili from Manipur, Tamenglong oranges from Manipur, then Judima rice from Assam. So all these are the recent addition to GI tag. Then the next important news is this part might also cover in geography portion. Okay, तो geography portion का भी part बन सकता है, so related with the current affairs. The first sports arbitrary center inaugurated at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It is first sports arbitrary center है, that's why it is important. So inaugurated at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Inaugurated by Kiran Rijiju, जो कि presently Union Minister of Law and Justice. Union Minister of Law and Justice, Kiran Rijiju. First post arbitrary center inaugurated. Then the important news from scientific society that American scientist David Julius and Ardem Potaposhian won 2021 Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine for their discoveries of receptors for temperature and touch. Receptor for temperature and touch. This is the important part from science. Okay, sense of touch, sense of temperature, response to chemical stimuli, like this portion. उस portion से भी questions बन सकते हैं. And these two person got Nobel Prize of 2021 in Physiology of Medicine. David Julius and Ardem Potaposhian. Okay. Then the important date 4th October, World Habitat Day, also celebrated as World Habitat Day from 4th October. फर्स्ट मंडे ऑफ अक्टूबर को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, तो ये इस साल 4th अक्टूबर को पड़ा. देन थीम एक्सेलरेटिंग अर्बन एक्शंस फॉर कार्बन फ्री वर्ल्ड. ओके, एवरी कंट्री इज ट्राइंग टू make their environment carbon free by doing some activities and acting, making some policies. So accelerating urban actions for carbon free world. Then on 5th October, World Teacher Day. 5th September Teachers Day होता है but in India, but World Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th October. Again they have theme that teachers at the heart of education recovery. Teachers at the heart of education recovery, the theme of the World Teachers Day, celebrated on 5th October. Thank you.